When you hit the select button for a book in the search results, it becomes the active book. You can see all sorts of information about the book in this detailed view. The first thing to note is the additional row of buttons just below the search box. Hover over them to see in the info bar what each one does. The first four are record navigation buttons, to click through each book one by one or jump to the first or last book. This button takes you back to the search results. Click this one to open the edit page for that book on KDP. This opens the book record in your Airtable base, and finally this button pushes the book again from KDP to your base so it's up to date. The Uploaded To drop-down allows you to select a bookstore and hit the button to amend that book record in your base, so you know which books have been added to other bookstores. Hover over any of the book data and click to save that text to the clipboard for easy pasting somewhere else. For live books, scroll down to the bottom to see the subproducts information. This is everything specific to your book in all marketplaces, including price, currency, sales, the product link and the copy URL button. The sales period shown in brackets is for a specific number of days, which is set when clicking the Update Sales Stats button on the bookshelf dashboard. When you have an active book set in the Popup app, you can auto-populate all the data for that book when creating or editing a book. Simply open the pop-up on each edit page to populate the data. Use the shortcut Alt-K on PC or Option-K on Mac to open the app without having to click the icon. This only applies if the Populate Page from Popup toggle is enabled, which it is by default. If the toggle is disabled, you can still open the app and click around, but the data won't populate on the page.